So this is the box that was delivered for a Jaguar wiper. Massive. Because the wiper has been giving me issues, I've decided to order a replacement. So I ordered a replacement from Amazon. They sent me this full box, like I ordered the underneath of the car. So I believe the wiper should be about this height. That's what I've got. Alright, we're gonna open it up, see what's inside, and then get to fix it. Ooh. Alright, going for the Bosch Aero 2-in-1. This is what we have. Fix this. So at the moment, this is what we have. Let's fix this. So if you look closely, you see this marks, which I believe is coming from what are these squeaking in it. This is how it was when I got it. So what we're going to be doing now is replacing these wipers with the Bosch ones we have and see how it goes. So we're just going to give it a quick wash and then we change the wiper blade. So you can hear this sound it's making from here. Oh, and then you can see all the squeegee marks here. So this doesn't look normal. So let's replace the blade and then we go from there. To replace the blade, you need to switch off the car. So at the moment, it's the service position. You need to go out now and then change the wiper blade. But the keys must remain in the car at all points. So at the moment, we've got this. This has been having the issue because if you look here, it's quite wobbly. So just have to press this button here and get this second bit. There's the new Bosch one. So let's see how it goes. I'll give it a wash. See how it fits in. If it does. Just there with the click in. Quite fiddly, but we got there in the end and it sits perfectly, not shaking. So this is for the Jaguar XE. This is a 2-liter diesel, coming from what we have previously. This is smaller housing, and if you look at the difference in shape, I'm guessing the noise I have currently is gonna end because this just flush in and fits in. We'll do the same for this one. It's like a clippy bit. You just have to just clip here. And take this out. It clips out like that. So this is a smaller one. This is a replacement one. This is by Bosch. Just gonna clip back in. So you can pretty much just lift it up like this a bit, pull this out and slot it back in without even doing on the wiper position if you choose. But yeah, so this is now fitted. It's just a little bit edge from here, so pretty much okay, standard. That's the door. Pour myself water. Cut out. That comes with a very nice clean, I would say. Very nice clean. Crisp clean. Now you can see the smell mark the previous one has been given, which is how I bought the car. I'm not sure why they put those wipers on, but it's what it is. Any idea on how I can get this off? Please leave me a comment in the sections below and I'll see what I can do.